So our first line is, I was scared of dentist in the dark. Hello everybody, and welcome to your first lesson of ukulele. I'm super excited that you decided to grab one, whether it's because you're bored of the quarantine or whether you just want to learn an instrument. The ukulele, you'll find, is the easiest to master. In my experience, learning how to play the ukulele is the easiest when we just jump right into it and learn our favorite songs. So today, we will be learning Riptide by Vance Joy. So really quickly, because I'm treating this as a first lesson sort of basis, let's go over our ukulele and our different strings. So as we see, we have 4 strings, and from top to bottom, we have the G string, the C string, the E string, and of course, my favorite, the A string. We play the ukulele by pushing our fingers on different strings to make sounds called chords. And for this song, we're going to need 4 chords: the A minor chord, the G chord, the C chord, and then later on, we're going to need the F chord. So because this is a beginner's tutorial, we're only going to strum 1 time when we hit a chord, and a full strum is where you take your thumb and you make sure it hits every single one of the strings, okay? So our first line is, I was scared of dentist in the dark. So our first strum is going to be on I. I was scared of, and we're going to be using the A minor chord. So we're going to take our middle finger right here and we're going to put it on our G string on the 2nd fret, just like this. And then we're going to strum. So ready? Go and do it with me. Go and get used to it if you want. Go and pause the video, get used to it. I was scared of. Pretty good, pretty good. So now the hardest part about really learning the ukulele is actually switching these chords. So we're going to go from our A minor chord to our G chord, which is actually a little bit more of a complex chord, but it's not rocket science. You'll be able to get it, I promise. We're going to go ahead and take our middle finger and we're going to place it on our A string at the very bottom. On the 2nd fret, just like this. Then we're going to take our index finger and we're going to place it on our C string on the 2nd fret as well. So we kind of have like an alternating pattern of where we're hitting the string and where we're not, just like this. Now here's the hard part, but don't worry, I promise I won't lose you. We're going to take our 3rd finger and we're going to reach over to our next door neighbor, our 3rd fret, and we're going to hit the A string. That's what it is. We're going to hit the A string. So it kind of looks like a triangle, and I'll kind of let you see it right here. But go ahead, and I want you to pause the video and just get situated with that chord. And here's what it sounds like. And then when you get used to that finger placement right there, go ahead and practice switching from A minor, which again is just our middle finger at the, on the G string on the 2nd fret, to our G chord. And we can practice by singing along with the song. It's kind of fun that way. So it goes, I was scared of, and then on dentist we go, dentist and the, like that. So I was scared of dentist and the. So go ahead and get used to switching between those. Sometimes it's easier to maybe strum A minor 4 times and then strum G 4 times. Because for some reason a lot of music likes the whole 4/8 strum pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then our second to last chord is going to be the C chord. And the C chord is super easy. We're going to take our 3rd finger, we're going to place it on our A string, this last string right here, on our 3rd fret. So it sounds like this. Alright, so now we're going to go and put that all together. And we're going to go really slow at first, just to make sure we got everything. So it goes A minor, I was scared, and then G, of dentist and then C, the dark, and then we also add another C to the end of it. Alright, so let's go ahead and go through a quick playthrough. We can play together and it'll be fun. I was scared of dentist and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. You're the magician's assistant in their dreams. When they come unstuck. Alright, and then later on in the song, we get this part where it sort of sings like this. I just wanna know. And then we're gonna go to C. If you're gonna, and then we're gonna go to F. And now this is a new chord. For the F, we're gonna take our index finger and our middle finger, and we're gonna put our index finger on the E chord on the first fret, and we're going to take our middle finger and we're going to put it on the G string, so on the second fret, and so it's going to sound like this. There we go. I just wanna know, and then to G, and then to C. If you're gonna, and then to F, stay. And then we're going to repeat it. So then it's going to be, I just gotta know. I can have it, and then to F, any other way. And then we go back to our normal strum of A minor, G, C, C, A minor, G, C, C. Alright, so let's go through a quick playthrough of the entire song, and I'll do it with you. I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. Oh, all my friends are turning green. You're the magician's assistant in their dream. When they've come unstuck. Lady, running down to the Riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I've got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words all wrong. Alright, ready? Here's the second part of it. I just wanna know. If you're gonna stay. I just gotta know. I can't have it any other way. Lady, running round to the Riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I've got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words all wrong. And you repeat that 2 more times. I'm not gonna do that. Once you've got that all down, we can work on sort of a more complex strumming pattern. So it goes kind of like this. I was scared of dentists and the dark. So the pattern I largely use for pretty much every song is a rhythmic down, up, just like that, and then a quick down, up, just like that. So it's 3 down, ups, but the third one is a really fast one. So the first 2 are very rhythmic. It goes down, up, and then you leave a little bit of a pause, and then you hit it real fast. You go down, up, like. And then you can go a little bit faster, but really slow at first. So it goes. Just like that. I was scared of dentists in the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. Oh, my friends are turning green. You're the magician's assistant in their dream. Oh, when you're singing that song, and I've got a lump in my throat, cause you're gonna sing the words all wrong. There's this movie I think you like. This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy's running from himself, and she's been living on the highest shelf. Oh, and they've come unstuck. I just want to know if you're going to stay. I just got to know. I can't have it any other way. I swear she's destined for the screen. Closest thing to Michelle Pfeiffer that you've ever seen. Oh, lady, running around in the Riptide. Okay.